Hey you guys, it's Christina from the Purple Alphabet, and today I have a mega haul filled with all kinds of educational ideas for kids that are affordable and budget friendly. And I have to thank TEMU for sponsoring today's video because I found a lot of good stuff there. Let me show you what I hauled. I do have a 30% code for you guys, so use this and the link down below in my description box and you can get free shipping. There's free returns for up to 90 days. Everything I show you in this video is going to be at that link. And if you want to, you can use that link to download the TEMU app, and there's more perks for using the TEMU app. So I did get a whole bunch of kids things. I also got some holiday things and some stuff for myself. So I'm going to show you everything. First is this, it's called Interesting Changeful Puzzle. It's basically a tray puzzle, but more of a logic game puzzle. Quality right off the bat, you guys, looks really nice. Each one of these is a separate piece, and when you take them out, it's a challenge to put them back into the right spot. I liked the colors of this. It's gonna vary how you see, I can't even put it back and I just took it out. How did this go, you guys? Oh my gosh, I know that piece goes there. So like that. I might have to work on this challenge myself. But the reason why I got this is I just thought it was an interesting take on a tray puzzle. So tray puzzles usually are pretty quick and easy, right? And they have the places that they can go in. This one, you're going to have to be more creative in figuring out how and they work together. Let's try that one there. See, that one can work there now. Almost. We're going to have to work on this off camera. So that was the first one, a little geometric puzzle. This one I thought would be great for fine motor. I love that it comes in its own little box. Inside, you're going to get some tools and some of the activity supplies. Have the bag of balls, little test tube, some tweezers, and then the challenge cards. So this is like a busy bag or busy box done for you. So you have all these different challenge cards and the colors match the balls. So what you can do is pick a challenge card, pour your balls into this little box, and then you have your test tube and you match it up. So I need a yellow, so I pick up the yellow. So we have some fine motor activities. You can start off by using your fingers at first and then work your way up to using the tongs, because the tongs are a challenge. And so then it's self-correcting, so you can check your card to your test tube to see if you got it right. Oh, and these are double-sided, so that's kind of cool. You can also not use the cards and use it as color sorting. Find all the reds, put all the reds in. You could use it for counting activities, counting the colors, counting all the beads. Can you put 3 in the jar? Can you put 5 in the jar? This is a wooden geoboard. Oh, this is so nice. Oh, we got cards here and the rubber bands, and here's the actual geoboard. And the reason why I like this is because of the pegs. They're just these little small metal pegs. Usually geoboards that you can buy usually come in plastic, so I like that it was wooden. A very Montessori feel to it. And they give you a set of cards. Geoboards you can just do on your own, or you could have cards to match up. So that gives you a selection of different cards, and you would copy the patterns on the geoboard. Look, there's even one here that you can make your own, maybe with a dry erase marker. And then they give you the rubber bands to use with your geoboard. Geoboard is that you just place them on here. You can create shapes, you can do patterns, you can make pictures. Here, I'll make a little house for you. There's my house. And you can do all kinds of things and overlap them. Really good for fine motor too, because you're getting those rubber bands over those small little pegs. Definitely a win on this one. This is a counting board set, another wooden item that's Montessori inspired. So you get 2 of these, which I would count these as 10 frames. You get a set of tokens. You have 2 different colors. There's blue and green, and they fit inside the board. Now I have whole activities on 10 frames. I'll have to put those up there in the corner to get ideas for activities for this, but this is awesome for that. I like that there's 2 different colors. So this is really cool. On some of the cards, they have these side by side, and they have a little circle here for you to enter equal to, less than, or greater than. And so you can put your count at the bottom, 5 and 5 in these bottom boxes. And then in there, you can write greater than, equal than, or less than. This one is you count how many are there, and then you could circle the answer, I guess with a dry erase. There's another greater than, equal than, less than. Oh, look, they even have math problems. 1 plus, and then you add in the next number to make 10. Counting into double digits. So they have several different activities you can do with this. Very hands-on with the activities. And I do love the wooden pieces. I think that is really great. Next up is the set of dice. I love these for math activities, and even more so because they are fraction dice. So this set comes with 6 different ones in 3 different colors. And if you look, each side has a different fraction. There's like 1/2, 1/4, 1/3 on each of them. These are great to take 2, maybe 2 different colors, kind of in Christmas colors, and you can roll them, and they're great for doing math problems. So adding 1/5 plus 1/5, or you can do which which one is greater than or equal to. So many different ways to use these in different math games that make learning fractions that much easier. So I just thought it was a really great way to explore fractions by using something simple like these dice. This is a life cycle board, which I thought was simply adorable. Oh, look, it gives you a little bag to put everything in. So these are the ones we have to put the stickers on. Get all the different round pieces. So let me pull those out real quick. Here's our main piece. So that's our life cycle board. So the pieces will go in here to complete the life cycle. And then here are all of our different life cycles. So this one is a butterfly, and these are the stickers that go onto the round. So you just have to do some assembly. Butterflies. Here's the rooster. Oh, that's so cute. Spider. Life cycle of a ladybug. This one is a bean plant, I believe. Plant. Sunflower. Frog. Turtle. Fish. And a plant, a flower. You get all those different life cycles in one. So you can do this when you're learning the life cycles, do them individually, or you can mix them up, in a little bag and pull one out and decide which life cycle it's from. You can use this as part of a extension activity. Maybe you're learning about flowers. You can have this in the flower life cycle. There are 10 different life cycles in here, all in one. And this was really, really an affordable item. I like this a lot. This one is an art kit, which just struck my curiosity. But you get a whole bunch of these. They're kind of like tissue paper squares. They're all kinds of different colors. Some are shiny and luminescent. Then you get this puncher. So it's like a little, almost like a plastic stick. It's actually glitter on it, gold glitter. But you're going to use that to push all of those little pieces into the pictures to make some artwork. Oh, and wow, do you get a bunch of pictures in here? There are a couple of different styles you could choose from. The one I picked, here we go, had some animals in it. On these punch out too. Some dresses. Here's the flower. Some really cute ones. I thought that one was adorable. The butterfly, cat, the duck. Another fine motor exercise. So let me try it out. I just want to try it out. So what you're supposed to do is take some of these, and then this little frame here, I'll just take that off, has little holes which are hard to tell right now on camera. And you're supposed to take your tool and punch it into the hole. So let's say I wanted to do this part of the flower, punch it in, and it creates like a little effect, I guess is the best way. When I was younger, we used to do this with glue and tissue paper swabs, but how cool is this? And then when you're all done, you're going to have this kind of really pretty collage effect onto your picture. Pretty clever, huh? So I actually like that. I might actually be doing this activity as kind of a mindfulness activity. I think my 9-year-old would like this a lot. Oh, here on the box is a really good picture of the one they did on that little, is that a hedgehog? You can kind of see how it looks on the picture. This one I thought would be a really great travel activity. It's called 3D Jigsaw Puzzle. It's also a wooden puzzle that has all these different wooden blocks in it with something different on each side. Then they have all these different cards, and your job is to match up your wooden blocks to the card by turning over all of the different shapes to match it. So this is probably great for a elementary school student. Let's see if I can do this while talking to you. Activities like this really, really work on spatial reasoning skills. Oh, did I do it? Yeah, I did. See, I can't even talk and do these puzzles at the same time. So I matched the bottom. So you would do the whole picture in order to solve the puzzle. Really fun, great take with you game. You could do it together as a family. You can do it timed to see how long it would take you to do it timed, and then have little competitions that way. Excellent little game. These are building blocks, but they are sets to make flowers. So this first one here has 2 flowers in it. They look like tulips, and then this one has a sunflower in it. So I thought these would be really great for the kids to try. They might end up being stocking stuffers, I don't know. But they looked super cute, and all the pieces are in there. So we're gonna give these a shot. These supposedly, I guess all whiteboard markers will do that. You're supposed to be able to draw on like a plastic spoon and then put it in water and it will lift up. I think that's what's supposed to happen with these. I haven't tried it yet. So I thought I'd get a set of these to try out that activity like it showed on the website. They came in a couple of different sets of colors. These are one of those portable mini printers, and it's the little printer that does thermal printing. That's so cute. I haven't tried it yet. Look how cute it is. Looks like a little cat almost. Looks like it comes with the USB cord to plug it in and some instructions, but I did get some extra rolls of the paper to go along with it where you're supposed to be able to go ahead and print just like thermal images of things that you take on your phone. So we're going to try this out and see if it works. I'll have to post an update about it on Instagram because I think it's kind of a really cute thing. And I've seen it all over the place too. I wanted to try it out for myself. So I think the paper goes in there and it prints out little images in black and white. The kids might really like using this too. I did splurge on some diamond painting Christmas tree ornaments because why not? These are ones that you can also make into keychains. Pull some out for you. They're acrylic ornaments. You just add the diamonds to them. They come with the diamonds, the little pin you need to apply them, the tools you need. You guys didn't already know already, I started a exclusively diamond painting only YouTube channel. And if you're curious about diamond painting, just head over there. I'll put a link up here to go to that channel. I'm really into it. It's a great mindfulness activity, and little projects like this are a great way to get started. It has everything you need. There's even little keychains in here and all the little sparkles that go onto the ornaments. So that was more for me. And then I also got a whole bunch of holiday stuff. I got some name tag stickers. These are for presents. You cannot have enough of these. This is the only way I label presents. Love those. This one is a Christmas tree wooden tray. I thought, how amazing would this be for a Montessori inspired activity to put the tray on here to be decorative. So if you're doing any kinds of sensory play, loose parts, this would be a really great way to do that. And then you can, for decoration afterwards or whatnot. I got these little bags for gift giving. They're little green plaid bags that have drawstrings. They're fabric bags. And we kind of gift and make bracelets and jewelry so that, and gift cards too, actually fit very well in there. Same thing with these little bags to hold those little jewelries that we make, the little bracelets. And there's 3 different colors in here. These would be good any time of year. And then I got these little penguin bags. They're like little burlap bags. How adorable are these? These are gift bags, but they're kind of made out of like I don't know how to describe it. There's different ones in here. They're like the shopping tote material, right? Like a kind of a thicker plastic, but you can reuse them. So this would be good for giving gifts, but then they can reuse them year after year instead of the paper ones, the paper gift bags getting ripped or broken. And so this is just a really great reusable gift bag. I thought that you could give to someone and they're probably going to want to use it to give gifts too. So this set came with 6 different ones. I did also get pillowcases. They don't come with the stuffing. So I usually just put these over my normal pillows. When Christmas is over, I just take this off and then put back on the other cover that I had on it for the rest of the year. So I like this one. And then decorative towels. This one says Merry Christmas and has snowflakes on it. And then the one underneath it has some little Christmas tree. It's really cute though with the little Christmas trees on it. And I did get this package of to-go containers, which have different little Christmas theme covers to go onto them. A little Christmas tree there and Santa's. And you always can use little to-go containers. You can put little treats or cookies in here to give as gifts. And they're like the food safe bottoms. So I think there's like, I don't know, 20 or so in here with all different tops. If you like this video, I have a whole bunch of other ones. I'm going to put another one up on the screen for you to go watch next. I'll see you over there. Thanks to TEMU for sponsoring today's video. Make sure to subscribe to see more videos like this and to give me a thumbs up to show your love.